So today I will talk about how I 10x my output as a software engineer in the morning. First thing that I'm going to describe is that problem that I was getting. Almost the entire day I was just prompting, then waiting and then reviewing. And half of my day was just basically watching an agent to think. Like 2-3 hours every single day easily was wasted like this. So I've kind of split my day into like 3 different work blocks. The first one is in the morning. I have 1.5 hours before like my stand-up call. Then I have block 2 and then I have block 3. So I find out that I was just like in these blocks reviewing and wasting a lot of time till the agent will finish running. And I was doing that review. Here is how my day looks like right now. I basically start my day with the review and then I had a call, then I have block 2, lunch, and block 3 plus agent preparation. And this was like the biggest game changer for me, that I have made the agent preparation, because right now it can run in scene from midnight till 7:30 a.m. So I'm just like woke up, do my morning routine, and after that go in front of the computer and review what the agent has done. And that's where I have that 10x leverage for my time. Basically I just sit and do the review and confirm some of the changes that will be applied. And I find out that this is like super helpful for me and it really saves a lot of time. I am able to save right now, for example, 3 hours or 2 hours that I was just wasting previously on waiting. Now I can basically do the important stuff, but even better in shorter period of time because everything was running in the night. So this is the principle that I want to teach you. So here are a few examples that I use almost daily. First thing is that you can run it as a background agent or you can run it like as a parallel agent. Basically, when you code, you are gonna open the second window and you will run, for example, the edge case handler. Basically, what it does is you will be coding something and it is going to find edge cases that you didn't think about. And basically, it is going to just help you. Maybe you can get rid of the edge cases that the agent provide, but still it can find out about something. Then I have best practices. Implement best practices for the specific domain you work in. It is going to find some of the best practices and maybe guide you to implement them, so your code or your implementation will be better. Then there is the third one, remove tech debt. This one is also great because producing tech debt now is, I think that if you are creating new products like we are currently, it is so much easier to handle the tech debt than it was previously, because now you can just run the agent and it is going to run the tests, so the code will like work how it's supposed to and it can be refactored, but you need to test it. I will make another video about that. So removing tech debt. And now we are going to move into another types of examples. This one are the reviews that you can review in the morning, but also I'm mostly using these 3 type of examples of review. So these are the files basically. Here is design proposal, code review, and performance review. These 2 I'm running almost daily, the code review and performance review. But when I'm creating some kind of design, I like to just run some kind of automation that prepares materials for me, so the next day I have a lot of materials about designing that specific feature that I'm working on. Here is the example. Don't forget accessibility and best practices for the end feature. Propose at least 10 options. Like it will give you more options for that specific feature, the design. And also like if it is in existing application, don't forget to use existing design system. So that was design proposal. So actionable steps for you is to like investigate what your day looks like. Write down the things that cost you the most time when you are like coding. You are gonna probably find that you are waiting a lot. If it is Cursor, if it is Claude Code, Gemini, Codex, it doesn't really matter. You will find out that you are wasting so much time on those agents. So create some kind of workflows, cron automation that run at specific time and execute the task. So then you are gonna review your first morning block and you will find out that you've saved a lot of time. Fifth thing is that after your work, you are gonna like improve your automations and make them even better so they can produce better results. You are gonna write down some more ideas about the automation that can help you, and you will try them the next, and you will find out that you have saved so much time when you will run those automations. So the prompts are in the description. You can like copy them, and based on that you can like iterate with your agent, so you can start immediately. Like from my automation, you can just copy that and you will iterate it and make it in your own way. So if you like this kind of raw practical advice videos, consider like subscribing, because I will be definitely making more of these videos. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. See ya.